Technology has evolved over the years, and modern technology is all about convenience and practicality. Speaking of which, Bluetooth speakers. What's up everybody, and welcome to Q256, and if it's your first time here, head straight and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Bluetooth speakers have gained popularity in the recent past. They have become an essential must-have gadget that can take your music experience to the next level. They are easy to use. There are a few basic buttons that a Bluetooth speaker has, and you do not have to be tech savvy in order to operate one. Most of them have just a power button and the volume rockers, making it so simple to connect. As soon as you turn it on, you pair it using very simple instructions with your phone or any other device, and you are good to go. Also good to note that is once the device is paired with the said Bluetooth speaker, you will not have to keep pairing it over and over and over again. Do it once and you are done. This is a very good reason to own a Bluetooth speaker right now. Okay. Portability is another reason why you should actually get yourself a Bluetooth speaker. Most of the Bluetooth speakers in the market right now are very compact in size. They are easily portable and you can take them with you anywhere. Put it in your bag, take it to the kitchen, even in the shower, and you can have your music at full blast.
You raise me up so I can
Affordability. Bluetooth speakers are quite popular for this main reason. There are too many to choose from depending on price range, type, design to suit your needs. You can pick up a Bluetooth speaker from as low as 60,000 shillings all the way up to 1,000,000 shillings depending on what suits your taste. However, I should warn you, do your research very well of the authenticity of the product vis-a-vis the price range. You wouldn't want to spend 1,000,000 shillings on your Bluetooth speaker only for you to get home and hear this. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
This device is connected successfully.
Hands-free calls. There are many times when you're catching up with your buddy and the phone call goes on and on and on until your ear starts to sweat. Sure, you could turn the phone into speaker mode, but most of the time you can't hear the person on the other side clearly, or they sound like they're talking from inside the saucepan. I forgot to bring a saucepan. Bluetooth speakers come with an inbuilt microphone that can be used for hands-free calling. Added advantage is, due to the size of the speakers, it is loud enough for you to hear the other person very clearly. Now, before you run out and start spending your hard-earned cash, here are a couple of things to consider before you buy one. Look at the specifications. Look at the drivers. What type of drivers does it need? Does it easily connect to your device, or do you need to download all kinds of added software for that? Look at the Bluetooth version, if it can connect to your device easily. Look at the charging style. Is it a wired connection? Is it a wireless charging type? Look at the battery. How long does it last? How big is the battery? What is its battery rating? What are the reviews? Look at other people's reviews. What do they say about that product in particular that you want to get? Look at the brand. The different brands, and every brand comes with its own advantages and disadvantages. And above all, look at the cost. The cost should fit in your budget, but as well get you a device that serves you perfectly. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so as not to miss out on any new content. See you in the next one.